We're here at Anheuser Busch for our brewery lights. This year we have nearly 1 million twinkling lights for people to walk through and see. Anheuser Busch hosts brewery lights to invite the community out to start new traditions with their families and their friends around the holidays. Anheuser Busch is proud to have a rich history here in St. Louis and to be a part of this community. And Brewery Lights is just another opportunity for us to give back and welcome our neighbors to come and visit us. Brewery Lights is absolutely free to everyone who comes. Those 21 or older can sample 5 of our products along the Brewery Lights route. The event is absolutely family friendly. We have activities that are fit for kids as well as adults. So for kids, they can come and get a picture taken with our Clydesdales, and there are also games and other activities available. My favorite part about coming to Brewery Lights is when you first step out onto the street and look down the street at the view, and you see all the buildings lit up, and the tunnel, and all the trees. It's just absolutely breathtaking. So Anheuser Busch is proud to be offering this experience for over 30 years. It started out as a drive-through lights experience, and it's evolved into what it is today. The process for planning Brewery Lights starts right after we start taking the lights down from the year before. So in January, we start planning our light display for the next year. And come October, lights are already going up on the buildings and trees. And our lighting ceremony is in November. If you'd like to come visit us, we'll be open every Thursday through Sunday through December 30th. Doors open at 5 and close at 10.